Regional anniversary days can now be automatically added to your payroll. And better yet, we've made it super easy for you to bulk assign regions for your team. All you need to do is complete our Regional Anniversary Wizard and you'll have it set up for your team. Easy. Once the wizard has been enabled for your business, you'll receive an email from our team to let you know. The wizard will then appear the next time you log into Smartly. It'll only take 2 steps to bulk enable regional anniversary days for your whole team. To start the Regional Anniversary Wizard, select Get Started. In the first step, you can choose a default region for your business using the drop-down. Once confirmed, click Next. Don't worry if you have employees in more than one region. Choose the one that applies to the majority and you'll be able to update the region in the next step. At the second step, you can update and confirm regions for each of your employees. If you've got some employees who are outside of your default business region, you can update their information now. Easily search their name or employee code in the search bar, or use the sort arrows next to the employee name, code and pay group columns. Once you've checked the region is correct for each employee, click Confirm Regional Anniversaries. Once confirmed, you're good to go. It's as simple as that. If you need to update an employee's regional anniversary at a later date, you can head to the Employees Details section of your site. Select the employee you're updating and then click Employee Details. Here you'll find a new field called Regional Anniversary Day. Select the drop-down and update. Don't forget to hit Save once completed. Easy as. For more information and a bunch of frequently asked questions, check out our Regional Anniversary Wizard Help article. You can find the link in the description box below.